Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Tomer, the co-founder of the Digital Reach platform. And today we're going to go over a great social media management tool called Hootsuite. If you guys aren't aware what Hootsuite is, it's a social media management tool basically that allows you to, the term I use is bulk post, but you can schedule out, you can create your posts through Hootsuite. And we're going to walk through exactly how to do it. It's a great tool, especially if you use that content calendar that you created, the social media calendar that you created, and you basically could put your social media strategy into autopilot as soon as you upload everything into Hootsuite. So what you first want to do is go to, you can type and search for Hootsuite on Google, and you click this one right here, Hootsuite Social Media Marketing and Management Dashboard. I click that. It should take you to this webpage here. Now, since I already created my Hootsuite account, I'm not gonna do it again. But it's pretty simple, right? So all you would have to do is basically just sign up. It's free, by the way. They have different plans. They have there you go. So there's like the 1 user, 10 social platforms, which is the professional. They have a team. They have a business and enterprise plan, and depending on the size. So if you're a small business, maybe you could probably get away with the free plan that we currently use at the Digital Reach. But if not, maybe you need a professional one, right? So it's the 1 user, 10 social profiles, which could be more than enough. So that's what Hootsuite is right now. So what I'm gonna do, right? So I'm logged in. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like right here. So it creates a little dashboard for you, which they call it in streams. So you can see my posts and mentions. You can add a stream, right? You can add a stream, whatever stream I like. Maybe it's through Facebook, LinkedIn, because I only have the 3, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn connected. You can add maybe a home, my tweets, likes, search, keyword lists, Facebook. Here you go, same thing, timeline, scheduled, messages, unpublished, mentions, my posts. Same thing in LinkedIn. They only offer you 2, which is the company updates and scheduled. So I'm fine with what I have right here. I'm content, right? So you can see that this is my Facebook page right here. This is my Facebook page up here. And you can see by the little logo on the top left corner. And company updates right here, which is my LinkedIn, and scheduled. So right now I have nothing scheduled, right? So, and you can, by the way, refresh the stream, right? So if you feel like there's a lag, you can refresh it. Here we go. I'm refreshing my screen. And you can even change, by the way, how you would like it to look, right? So you can have it look comfortable, standard, compact, whatever way you would like to, set it up. And you can add, like I said, add another social network, stream, and etc. So right here and then you can see, how many views. You can see a like. You can boost your actually post to reach more people. Obviously, that's the paid version. You can scroll down. You can see, obviously, most of these are pretty similar to what I've been, the posts are relatively the same, right? So right here is streams. You can see now the analytics aspect of it. You have to have a paid plan, right? So you have, which once again, it could be worthwhile if you want to use it. Yeah, you can go through the social media platform. They're a third party that are significantly better. So third party software that you can use. But yeah, so the real thing that we use right here is under streams, right? So we click on streams, and I'm going to click new post. So I'm going to click new post right here. And all right, so what you can see here, right? So since I only have 3 social platforms, right, I can add another one, but it's not going to allow me. And I'm going to add all 3 of these, right? Oh, here we go. So like I said, I'm going to add my Facebook, my LinkedIn, and my Twitter account. And I'll show you how to add those in a second, all those platforms. And it's pretty simple, especially when you simply just log in, when you sign up, right? So they're going to give you the options to add a social media platform. So what I'm going to do just for this example, right, I'm going to copy and paste the link and post it into the text area. Now you can see it has an auto-populated image or a clickable social card, whatever you like to call it. You can see here, you can add a location. You can be specific with your LinkedIn page audience, Facebook audience restrictions. You can add your photo. You can even explore different photos they are. You can customize this, though it is, it's specifically more with the LinkedIn feature. You even actually can add tracking or shorten the link. So I'm going to shorten this link right here, so it's not super long. There you go. See, you can see the link right here. So for this article, I'm just going to say, best practice for digital marketing during the coronavirus, right? So I can add my own, I can add my own different call to action. I can add my different copy to it. So what I'm going to just say is, I might just, for this exact example, maybe I'll just say, here are the best practices during the corona pandemic. Here are the best, digital marketing. Let me right click. There you go. There you go. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to reshorten it. So shorten with Owly. Here we go. So you see, right here are the best practices. Here are the best. Oh, sorry. Hold on. There we go. Here are the best digital marketing practices during the coronavirus pandemic. Right. So what I would do, I can either post it right now, or what I could do, which is the main purpose of using something like this, is you can schedule it out, right? So you can see right here, I can go through the date. Today's the April 28th. You can go through the time, change 8 a.m. to p.m. So in this case, I'm just going to post it at 10 a.m. Click it, and you can see schedule 3, right? So when you have the free version, by the way, you get up to 30 posts. So that's just something to keep in mind while you utilize Hootsuite. So click schedule 3. And there you go, right? So everything is scheduled out. Let's see if we click refresh right here. Yep, there you go. See? And this is going to be going straight to my Facebook page. You can go back to publisher right here. And here we go, right? So here are the 3 articles, the 3 posts that are going out through LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. And just quickly showing you exactly how to add an account. All you would do is, you can reconnect your social networks. I'm all connected, I'm sorry. Not reconnect, I apologize. You'd be going to manage social networks. And right here, see, you can see, you have Facebook, you have, the LinkedIn, LinkedIn and Twitter, and all you do is just add a network. But in this case, I'd have to get rid of one to add the new one. And that's essentially it. That's all you need to use, to use Hootsuite. It's pretty self-explanatory, pretty straightforward. As soon as you get the hang of it, it'll make your social media, marketing and strategy much easier to implement. We love using it. Just the fact that you can schedule the post out, put it on autopilot. Now, sometimes I will say sometimes Hootsuite does have an issue where some posts actually do not go through. So that's just something to keep in mind. But overall, Hootsuite, in my opinion, is the best free social media management tool you can use. The next one I can think of that would probably be on somewhat of a level would be Buffer. But I just prefer Hootsuite for marketing like this. So yeah, if you have any questions, comments, please leave it in the comment section below. Please subscribe to our channel if you like this video.